Hello, this is Lyle again. Sorry about this first recording. It's kind of shitty on the sound, so yeah. Well, anyways, here's my rear rim. It's an Eastern bidirectional, so 9-tooth driver, and you could switch it over to left-hand or right-hand drive. So with whatever side you grind on, I've actually grind on the right, so I put it on the left-hand drive. And the sprocket is the stock premium sprocket and stock premium cranks and spindle. You got the Fit Biko PC pedals with the KHE half length chain, which is pretty cool. Haven't busted it yet, not like regular chains. We got the Animal ASM tire. I like it. And just some dice I made for the front and back. Got the premium pivotal seat, Haro seat post clamp, United SEC brakeless frame, we've got the Devo Sato grips, FSA headset, stock, Mosh LT Justice stem, McNeil XLT silencer bars. A little bit dinged up, but they still work. Alexis brim stock on We the People Trust. Got the United Trinity forks, which are pretty light. And I'm upgrading to Fit Park Alienation rims, 440. So altogether my bike is 24.5 pounds. So it's alright. Does the tricks.